Did you know that in Colombia, thousands of tons of organic waste produced in rural areas are simply thrown away or left to decompose? My name is Gabriela Londoño from Mayafit University, and today I want to show you how something we see as waste can actually become an opportunity. Colombia depends heavily on its rural sector. Farmers produce the food we consume, but these activities also generate large amounts of organic waste, such as crop residues or animal waste. The problem is that most of this waste is not properly managed. It contaminates the water, damages the soil, and releases greenhouse gas emissions. At the same time, sadly, many of these rural communities face poverty and limited access to resources and technology. This challenge is directly connected to the Sustainable Development Goals, such as SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, SDG 7, Affordable and Clean Energy, and SDG 13, Climate Action. My proposal is to promote simple and accessible systems that allow rural communities to transform their own waste into useful resources.
One practical solution is the implementation of small-scale biodigesters, which can be installed directly on farms to convert animal waste and agricultural residues into biogas for cooking or electricity, while also producing natural fertilizers. The systems already exist and are being used in different parts of the world. Additionally, there are companies and organizations that manufacture and promote these systems. For instance, organizations like Sistema Bio design affordable biodigesters for small farmers and have implemented projects in Latin America, including Colombia. These biodigesters are modular, easy to install, and adaptable to rural conditions. Depending on the size, their cost can range from approximately $500 to $1,500, which makes them relatively accessible when supported by subsidies or community programs.
The systems are viable because they can be implemented at a small scale and use the materials that are already available in rural areas, making it accessible for farmers and campesinos. This is not just an idea. This is already happening in countries like China, where millions of rural households use these biodigesters to transform waste into clean energy for daily use. This solution requires collaboration between different actors. Farmers and rural communities are the center, while universities can support with research and innovation, and the government can provide funding and policies. Institutions like Agrosavia and SENA can offer technical support and training, while organizations like FAO could bring global experience. Private companies contribute with technology and investment. It is very important that all of these solutions are adapted to each community to respect their local knowledge and realities, while also improving their quality of life. If this project becomes a reality, rural communities can reduce pollution, generate their own energy. At the same time, it will help protect natural resources and contribute to climate action, so relating it to the SDG 13, while also promoting a more sustainable future. Waste has not to be the end of the cycle. It could be just the beginning of something new. If we change the way we see it, we can transform one of Colombia's challenges into one of its greatest opportunities.